Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to give you a bedroom tour. Guys, you know I always decorate my home and change the colors. In today's, I'm going to show how I transform it. And that's the way my bedroom was. I decorated for summer. You know, it's fall very soon. So I think I'm gonna change everything of my home. Put a little bit of orange, and that's how I come out with my bedroom right now so far. I leave everything the way it was except changing my bed sheet and add a new chair. I removed the bench that I had in the previous video and I added this orange chair, which is I love. I have it for quite time now, I think 5 years, but I haven't used it like that. I always put chair covers on it to change the color because the orange is too bright. I prefer use it like that during fall season. And guys, if you haven't checked your Walmart, you need to check them out because this plant, I got it from them. It was so inexpensive, and the vase as well. And guys, don't sleep on your local Walmart. If you're on a budget, you want your home to look expensive, and guys, this is the best way to go. And this is the other part of this my dresser. I don't like to put anything on my dresser except a little bit of flowers and my jewelry box. And guys, this flower as well, I get it from Walmart, and it's like a bright flowers. I had it on clearance when I bought it, and I have it for several years now, and which is so nice. I always bring them out during fall season. Very nice guys, nice to have. And in my little desk in the corner, I have a DIY candle and the candle holder, both of them from the thrift store. And guys, they were so inexpensive guys. It's another great way again if you want your home look good without spending more money. It's the best way to go because I had a real big pack of candle. I think it was for $3. I had a lot of candles inside of it, and this one by far my favorite because it smells so good. And guys, the pillows from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the link of everything in the description box down below. If anything in the video that interests you, you can always check them out. And guys, my mirror, which is I love so much, the two blanket from Amazon. And guys, it's another great way to make your home look very nice. Just add a little bit to a blanket and then it's gonna change the style without you even know it guys. My mirror in the top of the bed is my DIY. I always mention it in all my videos and I love them so much. I'm not ready yet to take them out, but they're soon gonna go to the garage because you know I always change my decor very often. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that you're here. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm really grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, I'm working on several projects right now. I just finished with my bathroom, now my bedroom, and I'm working on my master bathroom. It's not really a big bathroom guys, you know I'm living in an apartment. I'm just showing you if you have a small place just like me, you can make your home look luxuriously beautiful without spending too much money. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love candles so much guys. You will see candle throughout my home, and best believe me, I don't spend too much money because I bought them from the thrift store. They have some big bags for $2-3. You can find a lot of candles inside of them. And guys, the best way again to save money, if you don't like thrifting, well, you can buy them other places. I really love the way the bedroom turns out guys. As you know, I always change my home, and I'm here to bring you some new colors, new decor, new style. So I'm going to keep that for a couple of days to see, and I will change it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.